Hello and welcome to day 17 of our 21 Days of Energy series. Thank you so much for joining me along this journey. You know, this week has a very almost like spiritual, kind of uplifted energy to it. It's just very soft and gentle and beautiful. And if you're just joining us, then welcome. What I've been doing every day is pulling an oracle card, talking about the energy, and then ending with a 5-minute Reiki energy healing session, which is just me flowing high vibrational energy to you for whatever you need at this moment. So my name is Rachael. I don't remember if I said that already. My name's Rachael from Reiki with Rachael. All my information is below. I'm just really excited to get into today's cards so my head isn't, I'm not thinking right, because today's cards are really cool. Alright, so let's just get into it. Today's energy is love. The card says, I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. Now, if you've been following along, you know that for this last week, I've been pulling a second clarifying card. And the clarifying card that we got from our numerology deck is manifestation. Manifesting love. It doesn't get much better than that, right? So where to begin, right? Okay, something that's pretty cool is these are numerology cards, and you can see that it's the number 8. This is the 17th day in numerology. 17 reduces down to 8 because it's 7 plus 1. 8 is this infinity, this there's no beginning, there's no end, and it's really talking a lot about manifestation. At the very beginning of this week, we got the relationship and the loving partnership cards. And now, once again, we are getting love. And just look at these cards. I mean, they're pink, and this is purple and red, everything with green in the middle, everything is just screaming heart chakra, love. We are in the manifestation process right now. And this card is coming to remind us to commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things, seeing the love in yourself, seeing the love in the world, and knowing that the more you can really foster and embrace and stay in this loving vibration, the quicker going to manifest this into your life. So a couple days ago, when we got the relationship and loving partnership card, we really talked about coming from a place of self-love and kind of expanding that out. And I have a feeling that that's stuck with a lot of people, and I hope that, and I know that a lot of you have been working on this and have been really serious, and this card is saying, yes, keep doing it. Keep going. You're there. You're there. I don't think there's much more that I need to say, honestly. What I want to do is just flow you Reiki energy to your heart chakra right now, so that you can just feel this love expanding through you, expanding past you, and helping you manifest this same love and attract this same unconditional love to you, because you deserve it. You are worthy of it. And do not doubt for 1 second. Remember, that belief is key. You're manifesting this right now. So let's start the energy session. I don't know if I'll get any intuitions during it, but this is very beautiful. It's a very beautiful card. And a very beautiful week. like I said, it's just like this light and airy, and it's like we can breathe a little bit right now. Okay, so I'm gonna set the timer on my phone, connect with your energy, and flow you 5 minutes to your heart chakra of high vibrational Reiki energy. Sit back and relax and get started. your energy field, anything that you released that no longer serves you, I'm going to wipe off mine. Disconnect from the energy, so be it and so it is. Thank you so much. So I got two intuitions, two things that I wanted to mention. The first, I was being reminded to let you know that although when we hear love, we think of relationships. But this card, in conjunction with the manifestation card, is encouraging you to pour love into everything. So if if you're not really interested in a relationship right now, or you're fine with your relationship, but there's something in your life that isn't going as well as you want it to go, that, your career, living situation, whatever that is, pour love into it. Come from your heart space, come from a place of love, and that's going to help you manifest. So this is not just about romantic partnerships, even if this did resonate and gave you, made you feel really optimistic about bringing in that partnership into your life. The card's really telling you, yes, pour love into your relationships, pour love into everything you do, pour love into the place where you live, pour love into the things you want to manifest. Like, just see the good in the love in everything. And the second intuition that I got was that you are safe. It is safe for you to open up your heart and to pour love. Pour love into your relationships, to share your love with others, to share what you love with others, to pour love into a new creation. Often we hear something like this, and it makes us optimistic, but it also activates a fear response, a very long-held fear response that many of us have surrounding love. We want to protect our heart. Like, we want all of these things for ourselves so badly. We want this love in every aspect of our life, but we're nervous. If we put our love out there, we put ourselves out there, the only thing that's going to happen is our heart's going to get hurt. So I was given the very strong intuition that you are safe. The universe is looking out for you. It's okay. It is safe. You do not have to be scared. You do not have to fear putting love into what you want to manifest. Okay. Thank you so much again for tuning in. All my information's below. If you've not yet gone to my website and gotten the free 30-minute Reiki healing download, I encourage you to do that. You will get put on my email list, but I think I've only sent out 1 or 2 emails since I'm not spammy with the emails. It's really only like I let you know things that will benefit you. So if you haven't yet taken advantage of that, I do encourage you to do that. Or if you have a Reiki healing request, for you or a loved one who just needs healing right now, you can submit that there as well. You don't even get put on any email list, and I put you on and just send whoever you wish to send healing to daily Reiki for their highest and best good. Okay? Well, thank you so much. I'm sending you so much love right now. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.